show that the circles x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0 and 3x square plus 3y square minus 8x plus 29y is equal to 0 intersect each other orthogonally. So show that the circles intersect orthogonally. Means we want to check the orthogonality condition. Orthogonality condition is 2g g dash plus 2f f dash is equal to c plus c dash. So first we are finding this value, next we are finding the second value. If both of the values are equal, then we can say that the given circles intersect orthogonally. So further, first we are taking the given circle equations here. Given circles are, first circle equation is x square plus y square minus 3x minus 2y minus 7 equal to 0, say equation 1. And the second circle equation is 3x square plus 3y square minus 8x plus 29y is equals to 0. This is not in the standard form, and to apply the condition we have to convert this equation into the standard form. Means we divide this total equation by the number 3, that is taking 3 common here. 3 into x square plus y square minus 8x by 3 plus 29y by 3 is equals to 0. That is x square plus y square minus 8x by 3 plus 29y by 3 is equals to 0. Say equation 2. Now from the first equation we are taking the values of g of c, and from the second equation we take the values of g dash, f dash and c dash. So from the first equation, so here 2g is equal to x quotient, that is minus 2. Then g is equals to minus 1. And 2f is equals to y quotient, that is minus 2. Then f is equals to minus 1. And last value constant c is equals to minus 7. Now from the second equation, 2g, that is x quotient, minus 8 by 3, which implies the value of g is equals to minus 4 by 3. And 2g dash is equals to minus 8 by 3, g dash is equal to minus 4 by 3. And y quotient, 2f dash is equals to 29 by 3. Then f dash is equals to 29 by 6, 3 to 0. And last value constant is equals to 0. C dash is equal to 0. There is no constant in the second equation. We are checking the orthogonality condition. So first we are taking the LHS value, that is 2g g dash plus 2f f dash is equals to 2 into g value minus 1 into g dash value minus 4 by 3 plus 2 into f value minus 1 into f dash value 29 by 6. Now it is cancelled by 3 times, minus of minus becomes plus 8 by 3 minus 29 by 3. Taking 3 LCM, 8 minus 29 by 3 is equals to minus 21 by 3, and that is equals to minus 7. Now this is the value of LHS. Now coming to the RHS, c plus c dash. C plus c dash is equal to c value minus 7 and c dash value 0 is equals to minus 7. Therefore 2g g dash plus 2f f dash is equals to c plus c dash. Hence the given circles are orthogonal to each other. Hence the given circles are orthogonal. That's all. Next problem, find the equation of the circle which passes through the point origin and intersects the circles x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y plus 10 is equal to 0 and x square plus y square plus 12y plus 6 is equal to 0 orthogonally. So find the equation of the circle. We have to find the equation of the circle that passing through the origin. This is a given condition, and also given that that circle intersects the given two circles orthogonally. That is, we apply the orthogonal condition to the required circle and this circle first, and to the required circle and this circle second. So we are applying the orthogonality condition to solve the problem. So first we are taking the equation of the circle as in standard form, that is that equation of circle B. We have to find the equation of the circle. Find the equation of the circle means first we are taking the equation of the circle. That equation of circle B. So equation of circle means we are taking the standard form, that is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. And given that the circle passes through the origin, that is since it passes through the origin, since it passes through origin, means we are substituting the origin point in the circle equation. Since it passes through 0, 0, replacing the point 0, 0 in the circle equation. Then what we get? 0 plus x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. 2g into 0, 0 plus 2f into 0, 0 plus c is equals to 0. That is, the value of c is equals to 0. Now we are replacing c is equal to 0 in the circle equation. Therefore, equation of circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy is equals to 0. So equation 1. Now we are taking this equation as first equation, and next we are writing the second circle equation, third circle equation, which are the given equations. Now we are writing the given circles. Given circles are, second equation is x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y plus 10 equals to 0. So equation 2, and next write the next equation, x square plus y square plus 12y plus 6 is equals to 0. Say equation 3. This is the third equation. Now given condition is the required circle is orthogonal to the circles 2 and 3. That is, we apply the orthogonality condition for to first and second circles once and to first and third circle once. So from 1 and 3, 1 and 2. Now first we are applying the condition, orthogonality condition to the circles 1 and 2. Since the circle is orthogonal to the second circle, we apply the orthogonality condition to the first and second equations. That is, from 1 and 2, we are taking the values of g of c and g dash and f dash and c dash. 2g is equals to 2g. From the first equation, 2g is equal to 2g, 2f is equals to 2f, c is equal to c. All values are c is equal to 0. c equal to 0, 2g is equal to 2g, 2f is equal to 2f. That is, g value is equals to g, f value is equals to f, and the value of c is equal to 0. These are taken from the first equation. And from the second equation, 2g dash is equals to minus 4, x quotient. That is, g dash is equals to minus 2. And 2f dash is equals to 6, y quotient. Then f dash is equals to 3. And constant c dash is equals to 10. Now we are applying orthogonality condition to these two circles first. Replacing of all these values in this condition, that is 2g into 2 into g value g, g dash value minus 2 plus 2 into f value f and f dash value 3 is equals to 0 plus 10, which implies minus 4g plus 6f is equals to 10. That is, 4g minus 6f plus 10 is equals to 0. So equation 4. Writing these two times to that side. 4g minus 6f plus 10 equal to 0. So equation 4. Now applying the orthogonality condition to the circles 1 and 3 now. That is from 1 and 3. From equations 1 and 3. So from the first equation we have the same values. 2z is equals to 2g. 2f is equals to 2f. And c is equals to 0. And from the third circle equation, 2g dash is equals to x quotient. There is no x there, that is 0. And 2f dash is equals to y quotient, 12. And c dash is equals to constant, that is 6. We are taking the values from the first circle and third circle. From the first circle we are taking the first 3 values, and from the third circle we are taking the next 3 values. That is, here g is equals to g, f is equals to f, c is equals to 0. G dash is equals to 0, f dash is equal to 6, and c dash is equals to 6. Again applying the orthogonality condition, 2g g dash plus 2f f dash is equals to c plus c dash. That is, 2 into g into 0 plus 2 into f into 6 is equals to 0 plus 6. So 0 plus 12f is equal to 6, then f is equal to 6 by 12 is equals to 1 by 2. Now we are replacing this f is equal to 1 by 2 value in the fourth equation. That is, from equation 4. From fourth equation, we have that 4g minus 6f plus 10 is equals to 0. Replacing f value, 4g minus 6 into 1 by 2 plus 10 equal to 0. That is, 4g minus 3 plus 10 equal to 0. 4g plus 7 equal to 0. Then 4g is equals to minus 7. Then g is equals to minus 7 by 4. Here we get g is equal to minus 7 by 4, f is equal to 1 by 2 and c is equal to 0. Now replacing these values in circle equation. X square plus y square plus 2 into minus 7 by 4 into x plus 2 into 1 by 2 into y plus 0 equal to 0. That is, it is cancelled by 2 times. X square plus y square minus 7x by 2 plus y is equal to 0. Taking 2 LCM, 2x square plus 2y square minus 7x plus 2y is equals to 0, which implies 0 into 2 becomes 0. 2x square plus 2y square minus 7x plus 2y is equals to 0, which is the required answer.